Hello, everybody. My name is Korey Langford, and I want to give you an introduction to Google Slides. This is my go-to for incorporating technology in a lot of formats for my students. I am a fourth grade teacher. I was previously a third grade teacher, and this format, Google Slides, a lot of kids just took to it very easily. So I'm going to show you a little bit what Google Slides is about and show you some examples of a current assignment that we just did with my GT kids. And I'm also going to preface this that it's not only GT kids that use this. All of my students use Google Slides. That's their go-to. They even like making slides just for fun, just adding pictures that they like and showing me. So here I'm going to take you to Google Slides. So Google Classroom and the Google Suite is very popular in a lot of education or districts. So it's a native program for a lot of kids. They're familiar with it, especially as they get a little bit older. My third graders from years past were very comfortable using Google with just a little bit of training. And as they got older, they were able to do it quite easily. So here's that. I'm going to go to my Google Apps and Slides right here. So that's where we go to Google Slides. And it's real easy. They have simple templates. As you can see, I have lots of templates from things that I've done. They just go to a blank one. They don't even have to think about what to do. And it's super easy to use. It says click add title here. They click in there and they'll start typing. Of course, they'll always misspell all this stuff, especially if it's really funny words or stuff like that. And all these icons, they're familiar with this. It says, the insert image, this right here, search web. This is one that we use a lot. I use this doing a vocabulary with science. So I give them a vocabulary word from our science lesson, and I have them go and find a word or a picture that matches the word T-U-R-E. Find an image that matches the definition for the word. So I just teach them to go in here, and this is Google, just like Google, mixture, and they just sort through them and they find them and they're like, oh, I like that picture. And they'll try to find some crazy stuff, but I'll just pick this one. It's super easy. And it says insert, and it throws it right into the Google slide, and they can change the size and move it all around. And it's super easy. You don't have to do a lot of formatting. Those of you that are familiar with the old stuff, or even in like the Word documents, it's kind of hard to move around. And this is super easy. So there's that. They like changing the font and the pictures and stuff, and adding new slides is very easy. You come over here and just click add new slide or duplicate slide if they like a thing like that. I also want to show you a few things from my assignment from yesterday. So I have my GT group. I have told them to they wanted to play freeze tag inside the school in the hallway, which is incredibly dangerous. So I told them, you need to come up with a way to do it inside the school safely. So you need to have safety equipment and rules. And I want you to create me a slideshow or create me something. I didn't even tell them a slideshow. A lot of them all went to this, like I said. And I want you to create me something showing me with the rules and safety equipment that you need. This is one that I just randomly picked up. So here's the beginning of the slide. If you can't see it, it says hallway freeze tag. And I thought that was really interesting. At first, I thought that was in my school, and then I had to look at it again. And then only fast walk, no running, no. And then no lying, because, I'm not it, I'm not it, I'm not it. And then I don't know what this is about, freeze tag. Oh, what, you're freezing. I see what it is. The snake is frozen in place. I see. I understand. Don't be loud. And look how the pictures go with what they're telling me. I think they like these jaguars or whatever this thing is called. No pushing. These are hilarious. Safety first. And look at this. This is hilarious. And then we're done. And then just for good measure, here's another tiger or leopard or jaguar or whatever this thing is. So I hope y'all enjoyed my thing. I'm well aware I went over my 3 minutes. I'm pushing 5 minutes. Thank you. Have a nice day.